Hey guys, it is me Shivu, and today I am going to give you a tutorial how to draw, and this is a perfect scenery for beginners. It is easy and beautiful. So let's start. First, let's see what setup we can do to see this. Taking this, keeping it right like this. Yes. Now it is set it. And now we can draw. So as you can see, we are doing a challenge of drawing. It is easy and for beginners. We only have to draw with these DOMS colors. Only these. And these are only 20 rupees DOMS colors, so you can buy it anywhere. Literally anywhere. So look guys, what you have to do first. First, out of this thing we have to take black color. With that black color, we have to draw a triangle right like this. And then we have to draw another triangle like this. Then we have to join one end of a triangle to the other triangle's end, and that end also with this end. After we have joined this, the thing we have to do is we have to draw a circle from this end to this end. After we have drew this circle, then it is your wish. If you want to make the birds, flying birds, you can make like this, R's, flying R's, but these will later look like birds only. Yes, jugaad. This is jugaad for normal birds, because if you need to draw a bird, then you have to do like this, this, like this. We have to draw a whole bird. This is simple bird, but I am not going to show the extreme. I will show in next video. Yes, so back on the topic. Then after we have done this, you can take this either for coloring or the professional kit. You can either take these DOMS color, these oil pastels, or these crayons. I will show you with all these. But first let us complete with this one. Oh, food. This is wrong. This I have to do as. This is pain. When you accidentally touch your wet color. This is pain for every single watercolor artist. Which I am not. Sometimes only draw with watercolor. And guys, we are soon going to draw this art and ruin it also. Yes, I think so. It is going viral by drawing art and ruining it. Because people are getting millions of likes. Okay, now after we have drawn this thing, then it is time to color. Remember guys, if you want to outline, then only outline. It is only for beginners. If you are a pro, then please do the outlines. But if you are beginner, please don't. Trust me bro, please don't in this drawing. Okay, after we have drawn like this, I have colored this triangle, color this triangle also, so that it will look. Guys, you know what I am suggesting? I am suggesting that we should only draw the drawing portion with these pens, DOMS 20 rupees, and rest we could do with crayons or oil pastel, or it is very time taking. And if you are an introvert like me, please don't do it. If you are introvert, or else your interest in drawing will be dead, literally dead. So just start it, because I don't have any hobby till now except football. I wanted a hobby at home also, like something else. Guys, now we are going to draw with professional watercolor kit and these all things, which I'm not going to use now. This both I'll use this both in there, and we are going to use this and this for now. Oh no, I accidentally did it. Okay guys, now we are going to get water. Okay, from where? Don't see this guys, this is food. I ate my food. This is very difficult. I'm seeing in my camera only what is happening. Okay, carefully taking it here. Go like this. Very carefully. We are going to go here. Very carefully we can go here. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm just spilling water. Done guys. I kept this. Now what I'm going to do? I have to wipe it off. Oh. Okay, now we are going to get what happened. Okay, nothing happened there. Seeing that I have to get here, go here. And wipe this off. Done. And now we have to do this. Setting the camera. Done. If I spill, then I lose my drawing. Challenge. If I spill, I lose my drawing. It is literally accidentally spill, I lose it. All the hard work that I have done for this my drawing. So I don't have to spill, and perfectly match yellow and orange together to make this color. Okay, then we are going to color this. And if you don't want to match, you can do with oil pastels also. We have done this. Father always makes these type of jokes. Sorry guys. To take some water, spill it on this blue color. This out. Just okay, these are my colors. So I'm going to adjust just like this, and we are going to keep this like this, so you can watch it. Dip this with blue And then we are going to take a handful of cyan color and mix it with this color. Okay, we are going to mix it with this one blue. Drip some water here, and after dripping, you're going to mix it. It will become dark blue, or you can call it anything in your language. Okay, now we just have to make the river like this. We are making the river like this. After making like this the river, we can add more cyan color here. My father thought that I was using my phone. But yes, I am using for recording. But only for recording purposes. Please don't watch that much of phone. After this, we are going to mix some. Okay, don't take all, just take some green color. Some green color, not some. Only this much. And mix it with this one combination. Some, I said. So you will get this dark blue also. After doing this, take some this cyan also and just rub it like this. If you want to give some finishing touches, then take your water and mix here. It is like a purplish blue here, and this exact color match we were making. First, out of surprise, what happened? This. And what happened by surprise when we were mixing? This. These two are totally different colors. Totally different colors. These two. This is blue and this is purple. So when we combine these two like this, it becomes one. Which is really majestic and beautiful. As you can see here, this is a paint, not an empty gap. So don't say, Shivu, you have empty gaps in your oil pastel. Sorry, this watercolor. But it's just a light which is reflecting right there above you all. So what this? Yes, after we have done hold this thing, don't do this, you only have to do this, but I went a little out of topic. We are going to take some, okay? Going to take, if you want to make this a weather system, like a cloudy system, then you can make some clouds also. But please, I am requesting guys, don't make it just by that, watercolor, so it will look bad. Please use pencil colors for clouds. It will look good. I'm telling you all. Or else it will look definitely bad. We're going to use which color? Yes, that's a correct answer. We are going to use pencil colors. Especially black. This is black, Naga is not brown. Black color this is. So guys, can you recall the colors that we used here? Okay, I am going to recall with you. This is purple, blue. Purple we also used in here. Blue we also used in here. We use green here and yellow here. And we marked this with black. Okay guys, first tutorial done. So first, and not after completing, name it before. Chapter 1, Scenery. Yes. SCENRY. scenery. Chapter 1 scenery, and draw a line right here. In my school, so we always do. Hopefully my drawing ma'am doesn't see this. But she taught me one thing that I want to show you all. I copied it from there. Not this mushroom one drawing. I don't want to show this is that one, normal one. To show you that one. This one. If you do like this here in my copy, na, do not say like it is not in our copy, sir. Do not call me sir. Sorry. It is not in my copy, bhaiya. Don't do this. It is not in my copy. Oh, and these are all the color matches I did in one drawing. Oh. Guys, and in this drawing I did a huge mistake. First, I started with oil pastels. I did hold this with that, what you can say, watercolors, and did the boat with oil pastels. Both will be super different. But please, first draw, then color. First draw with pencil, then color. I have did a huge mistake here. So I am going to apologize. Right here. So it will not be visible only. Now let's do with crayons. Guys, I'm destroying my art for you all to just recognize it. Can you see? Yes, now you can see. Boat. Yes, we have to write a boat scenery. You can draw some people here, but before coloring, and make a boat here, not like here. I'm telling this because I did mistake here. And draw the sun before, not after coloring with oil pastel, or it will look bad. Because when you do like this na, to match the oil pastels with cotton, then the black paint that you have done here na will come in your color. So this was it for today, guys. This was your tutorial how to draw. Thank you.